Hi everyone, I'm Tammy from Sitemate. Managing plant and equipment inspections with paper forms is inefficient and prone to errors. Digital plant and equipment inspections using Dashpivot streamline this process, enabling easy completion via phone or tablet for immediate feedback and operational improvement. In Dashpivot, you can create a plant and equipment inspection template entirely from scratch or choose from our public template library, which offers many ready-to-use templates. Let's just run a search at the top here for inspection, and you'll see the many formats that we have available for assets inspection. Let's use the heavy equipment inspection as an example for this video. You can preview the format before adding this to your workspace and keeping in mind that everything that you see here is fully customizable once added. Inspections can then be conducted on your web access. Our standard heavy equipment inspection template includes fields such as the date and time of inspection, the equipment information as text fields, and then various checklists for different parts. There's also a table for more document as PDF attachment here, and a yes/no question for whether a fault has been identified. When you select yes, there is additional tables populated for you to then put in more information. There's also a little summary table at the bottom here to calculate how many faults have been identified and how many of these required maintenance. Once saved, the form will be shown in a timeline format sorted by date input in the form, like this. All of these checklists are then automatically compiled into a register, where information within the forms are all displayed in a table format like this. You can also use filters at the top to filter down for specific forms and then export these data as CSV or PDF. For Template Editor, Dashpivot features a user-friendly drag-and-drop system, allowing you to format the templates however suits your organization, and you can rearrange these fields as needed. To ensure that important and unique information is captured and not duplicated, fields can be made required and exclude from form cloning, and you can find these in the field settings, which is available on the top left corner of each field. Conditional logic is also available for yes, no, and list fields to display more fields depending on the answer selected, such as that final yes, no question that we saw in the form earlier. When yes is selected, an additional table appears. Dashpivot advanced formulas can be used for things like auto calculation or display values, like what we're using here. The list module can be used as a database with various properties. Let's use this plant vehicle list as an example here. For this list, we store things like the asset information, registration as a PDF document, and the expiry date, where you can choose to be notified when a set date is approaching or when it's overdue. Information captured within your inspections can then be analyzed even further using analytics. For example, I've set up a frequency chart here to track heavy equipment inspection forms created over time, which can be broken down further by the folders they are in or even by who's created these inspections. Photos of identified faults during the inspections are essential for accurate documentation, enhanced communication, and efficient repairs. These can be found in the Photos tab. Photo tags here can be created to apply it for easy filtering when looking for specific images. GPS location can also be captured when photos are taken through the Dashpivot mobile app and if you have enabled location settings. Checklists can be created and submitted using mobile or tablet for easy access. The forms are organized in a timeline just like on the web access. You can continue working on existing checklists or create a new one using that plus icon. Photos can be taken directly on the app, or you can choose to upload images from your device gallery. Once taken or uploaded, you can then mark up these photos to highlight certain details. Photo tags can also be applied during this step if they have been set up. Photo stamps are also available to display information such as date, time, geotagging, descriptions, and more, as you can see on the bottom left corner here. And if you have enabled location, you will then find the map where the photos were taken on the bottom of each image. Drawings or any PDF files attached to the form can also be marked up when you're using the mobile app. This is useful for signing, highlighting, annotating specific parts of the documents. Once completed and you need to share a copy of this document with others right away, you don't have to use a computer to export it. Instead, you can send it as a PDF file via an email directly from the app, which will include any PDF attachments on the form as well as the photos. The app works offline and is available on both iOS and Android devices, making this process even more accessible for all personnel involved. Dashpivot can be used for many other use cases, and data can be synced to external tools such as SharePoint, Excel, Power BI, etc. using our integration product FlowSite. With this, you can seamlessly transfer your plant equipment inspection data from Dashpivot to your preferred data storage or any other tools. Try Dashpivot for plant and equipment inspections today using our sign up link and let us know what you think. Thanks for watching.